Hello, how are you? I thought I would try and make a flower design without using white and the piping part. I was just trying to make something really easy to help beginners. So I'm using JDiction 4-hour fast cure, one of my favourites at the moment. And I'm just putting some clear into this mould, which is pouring your heart out mould. It's called Lily. Trying to zap some of the bubbles. But this light is not the greatest. I'm going around the edges to try and make sure there's no bubbles around there too.
They address stuff like that, like quality of life, illegal dumping.
And I'm going to go with like some fire colours, because why not? I'll start mixing up those in a minute. Seems to be a lot of bubbles, even though I did warm my resin. And I use the resin as resin warmer, which I love. It's great because sometimes my sleep pattern is not great and I'm working in the night, so the resin warmer helps loads. This is yellow from Etter Art. I think I do about 3 drops, I think. Give that a good mix. And now I've got lips resin, Tangerine. I love this colour too. I like yellows and oranges quite a lot. I tend to mix it on the surface to get rid of all the clumps of mica, so I can see them better. And I'll give it all a good mix around, making sure it's fully mixed, getting it all around the sides. That's a pretty colour. Now I'm using Octopus Resin ink in strawberry, which is fab as well. Give this a good mix up too. I think I put another drop in, I think, off camera. Lovely, isn't it? Look at that. So, soften some more bubbles. I'm going to go around the edge first. Yellow.
You guys can always jump in if you want. We can talk about all we want about response and better communication and fast and large responses. He's just really not saying anything.
Just taking my time, trying to get it close to the edge as possible.
We need to go beyond that. We need to stand up something that is preventative. And so we need to work with building our partnerships. There need to be some partnerships with our schools. We need to put aside the political rhetoric. Okay. We need to partner with our school boards. I've been speaking with a few of them. Dr. Trujillo, I hope to speak with soon. I talked to Dustin Williams for the county school board superintendent. He's amazing. What does he not do? School boards, drug counseling. Man, he does everything. Alex, I'm gonna get my notes from you, okay? Yeah.
I thought this would be a lot easier for the beginner because doing the white and the piping's quite nerve-wracking, and you know, I thought if you start off with something like this, you can build your confidence to then go to the piping. So I'm going around with the orange now, and I will do the same with the red, because I figured if all the resin is going to pull to the middle, I'm using a flower shaped mould, it's going to look like a flower anyway, regardless if you have the white in or not.
The next thing you know, Uvalde happens, and we have over 500 attendants. The desire and the will and the
So I hope it helps some people to start off with their blooming. That's going to sound wrong, isn't it? Blooming flower technique, like blooming egg, but no, it's. I mean, bloom technique. That's what I mean. And in with the red now.
That's for Congress. That's for our state legislature. I hope they figure this out too. But for now, here in Pima County, we're going to apply a regional concept that will allow all of our agencies, no matter where that incident occurs, to respond in a timely manner.
Liking these colours together.
With better communication within the agencies themselves. And more important, come together with some preventative measures, partnering with our mental health providers, our 988 system that's coming around. We hope to be able to utilize that as a tool. But I know just who to call. I'll get you the items you need. Boy, I hope this thing works. It's been a while since we've used it. People are like that, they are. Promise you that. Oh, wait a minute, we missed something. Nice. Dude, I swear, I feel dumber.
I'm going to put in some gold shards for the centre.
Be there with better communication within the agencies themselves. All that really important. Come together with some
I'm going to push them down into the resin and make sure they're covered in the resin on the top.
988 system that's coming around. We hope to be able to utilize that as a tool. But we just need to do some things here internally ourselves.
Fingers crossed.
Spread it out, make it grow. So there's a lot of federal partners.
I wasn't sure whether it was going to close, so I thought I'll have a little bit of a swirl or doodle, whatever you want to call it.
You know who I am as a sheriff? Say it again? Yeah, I do. So just a few minutes ago, the board voted on a motion.
His name gets the clipboard snatched out of my hands, followed by gimme that, this guy has got to go. The sheriff's well-documented history with the El Paso Police Department should have never granted him employment in the Pima County correctional system, much less the climb to sheriff.
You just know you're going to have people out there who don't like you, and that's okay. I can't win everybody over.
But dude, what are you doing?
Have some comfort in knowing that.
What is his point of working?
What is he doing for anybody? Name one positive thing that this guy's done.
Thank you. Anything.
Yeah.
Because say it like, oh, we'll put into these drug programs. No, he hasn't done any of that. He just knows. He knows the spiel on what.
So I'm going to demold now. It's still a little bit soft, but it's cured. If you know what I mean. There we go. I think that's quite cool, really. especially, you know, not doing the piping with the white and stuff. I think that's come out quite well, and I think it will be good for beginners to have a go at. So thank you for watching. You're all amazing. Thank you to my subscribers. You're all wonderful too. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you loads. Bye bye.